students. Welcome to another session of Joyful Learning. Today we are going to learn something interesting about the movements of the earth. You have already learned that the earth is a planet which moves around the sun. The earth's movement are of two types, rotation and revolution. Now carefully watch the movements of the earth. Let us see the rotation of the earth. Look at this picture carefully. The earth spins about its axis. What is an axis? An imaginary line passing to the middle of the body around which the body appears to spin is called an axis. The spinning movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. Effect of rotation of the earth. While rotating, different parts of the earth face the sun. The part of the earth that faces the sun experiences day, while the other side, which lies away from the sun, is dark and experiences night. The effect of rotation of the earth causes day and night. Students, let us learn in detail about the effect of rotation of the earth. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. The rotation of the earth around its axis causes day and night. While rotating, different parts of the earth face the sun. The part of the earth that faces the sun experiences day, while the other side, which lies away from the sun, is dark and experiences night. The earth rotates from west to east. As a result of this, the sun, the moon and the stars appear to rise in the east and set in the west. The period between night and day is called dawn, and the period between day and night is called dusk. Now students, you have already learned what rotation is. Let us see what the revolution of the earth is. Observe this picture carefully. The earth, while rotating on its own axis, also revolves around the sun in a fixed path called orbit, and this causes the four main seasons. They are spring, summer, autumn and winter. The earth, while rotating on its own axis, also moves around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in about 365 days and 6 hours. The extra 6 hours accumulate over 4 years and are added as a day to the month of February every 4th year. So February, which usually has 28 days, has 29 days every 4th year. This year is called a leap year and it has 366 days. Revolution of the earth and its tilted axis causes 4 seasons, namely spring, summer, autumn and winter. Now we are going to learn about the 4 seasons in detail. Summer. While revolving around the sun, the earth is tilted to one side. The half of the earth that is tilted towards the sun gets longer hours of sunlight and experiences summer. Features of summer. The summer months are hot and dry. The days are long and nights are short. In many places, rivers and lakes run dry. Winter. The half of the earth that is tilted away from the sun gets lesser hours of sunlight, and this part of the earth experiences winter. Features of winter. It is very cold during winter. Many places experience snowfall. Trees lose all their leaves. The days are short and nights are long. Students, let us learn about autumn and spring. Twice a year, neither of the poles are facing the sun, and all the parts of the earth roughly get equal hours of daylight and darkness. At this time, the places on the earth have seasons like autumn and spring, which are neither too hot nor too cold. Features of autumn. Leaves change their color and start falling from the trees. Day and nights are of same length. The weather is pleasant. Features of spring. During spring, trees sprout new leaves and flowers bloom. Birds build nest. Weather is mild and pleasant. So students, this was all about the movements of the earth. Now I have an activity for you all. First, differentiate the following: rotation and revolution. Second, summer and winter. Third, autumn and spring. Second, draw a neat diagram of day and night and color it. Hope you enjoy this activity. Dear students, now we have come to the end of this session. Hope you had joyful learning. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.